Welcome in to another Woolly review, and today it's for James C. Brett. It's 100% pure DK cotton. Well, that's the end of the Woolly review. There we go. Goodbye. Or maybe not. Maybe not. This is approximately 215 metres or 234 yards. And like it says on the ball band, it's 100% cotton. Ta-da! It is in weight. As you can see, not that we're here to judge the colour, but it is a nice, soft cotton. It feels like a really nice soft cotton. Now, I don't know what that feels like until it's worked up, if that's still true, but we will find out. So it says to use a 4mm hook, and so that is what I am using. And as this is not mine, I can't do a full swatch, but I will do a partial and we'll see what happens. Now, I have seen that this has 48 different shades, colours, which that's a heck of a lot. So hopefully you'd be able to find the colour that you're after. I've no idea how many I'm chaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? Is that 11? Am I getting that right? It's 11, right? Yeah, we'll go with 11. So one more for a 12. And we'll go in for a row of single crochet. Now, the cheapest place that I have found this is at the Delta Wool Shop, which will be linked down below, along with all the intricacies, all the details of this cotton. And I believe at time of recording it was £2.95 for this ball. Now I'm guessing it's 100 grams, but I didn't double check that. It is. It's 100 grams. Good. Okay. No, we're not doing double crochet, Khadijah. We're doing single crochet. Thank you very much. Upon the hidden ladybirds, we have got the latest stitch markers of the channel, which are glass stars. Or should I say bound glass stars. If you are interested in these with a clasp of your choice or any others, you can email me or go to my Etsy and have a look. Both are also linked down below in the description, and all can be customised into jewellery or different colouring. The choice is yours. So I'm doing double crochet at the moment. I've actually missed doing the half double, but I will do that on the next. But it feels really nice and soft in the fingers, I have to say. It's almost like it's softening my fingers while I'm using it, which is a little bit odd. It's almost like my fingers are now made of cotton wool. I mean, I hope they're not, because that could be problematic, but that's what it feels like. And no, we're not here to judge my crochet skills. I mean, you can if you like, but that's not what the Woolly review is all about. I think I'd be keen to go down half or a full hook size on this, rather than using a 4. Personal preference. I think it needs just to come down a little bit, not much. Like I said, like half a hook size or a full hook size, I think. But it does feel nice. It does, it does, it does. Okay. Coming up to the frog's house. Oops. And before we knock on the door, just going to have to do a quick thing. No give whatsoever, which is as expected. Oh, it feels nice. This is not something that you want to turn into a houseware. This is nice. So we have the single crochet down the bottom, the double crochet and the half double at the top. Nice stitch definition, I have to say. Feels lovely. It feels lovely. I like that. That's nice. I'm not expecting any issues with frogging, so let's go, frog. Let's go. Come on. No, 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 no. There you go. Okay. All right, if you really want to do it, hop on your scooter. Go on. It's going to be kinky. It's kinky. Look at the kink. There's a heck of a kinkage there. Mm-hmm. Kinky, kinky. Okay. Well, kind of expected as it's 100% pure cotton. But, excuse me, stitch markers, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. What would I give it? Well, let's go straight to a 3 because that's your average, and I'm happy to start there. It's lovely and soft. 100 grams for under £3, I think is pretty good. It's not bad, you know, it's not brilliant, but it's not bad at all. And for the softness of it, and for the amount of different colours you have, I think that's pretty good, personally speaking. I mean, I'm a bargain hunter and I very much compare prices almost all of the time. I'm saying that isn't too bad at all for that amount of different colours you can choose from. The softness of it, that can easily be clothing. Easily. You don't want that as houseware. No, 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 no. So we're kind of going straight to there. It would be my top 3 for sure. Would it be my number 1 go-to? This is difficult. This is difficult. No, I don't think it'll be my literal go-to, but I think it will be my second. I think. So I'm actually going to push this to a 4.5. I'm going to push this to a 4.5. Oh, let's do that then. I'm going to go to a 4.5 ladybirds out of 5. Amazing array of colours, beautifully soft, feels lovely in the hands. Like my hands aren't drying out because of it, which is something that cotton can definitely do. It's not rough at all. It's a garment cotton. The price isn't too bad. For under £3, that's pretty good for 100 grams. So that's what I'm going to go with. I am going to go for a 4.5 ladybirds out of 5. If you've given it a go, comment down below, let me know. And if you haven't tried it, but you would, let me know. I mean, this is my honest review. We all have different tastes. Let's face it. So let me know what you think. And if you're not already subscribed, it's just underneath the video. It is completely free to do so. And you never know, you may be here for another woolly review or even a tutorial, or join in with the madness on a Friday for a live. Who knows? Maybe I'll see you around. Hopefully, take care. Bye-bye.